Hey there, thanks for installing the Baseline Shopify app. Here's a short video on how our app works and how to get started with your first content section. At the end of the video, you'll know how to get the most out of it to increase your conversions on your online store. First, you need to know that this Shopify app is only a small part of a framework called Baseline that we're building at Skuology. This framework was built with the goal of democratizing e-commerce and giving you the skills, the value, and results you would get from hiring branding, web design, conversion rate optimization, and developer agencies or freelancers, but for a fraction of the cost and time. The problem with most e-com stores is low conversion, and to get a CRO agency to work with you, you need to pay a high monthly retainer as well as have enough traffic. If you don't, they won't be able to help you. That's why we built the Baseline framework, which includes best practices of user experience, user interface, conversion rate optimization, and other skills that we learned from working with 70 plus client projects that generated over 100 million in revenue. We're also growing our own e-com stores like MountainEyes that has a consistent conversion rate between 5 and 6% in the last year. The biggest impact you'll create with the Baseline Shopify app is when you add all the sections in their optimal places in an optimal order and add the right copy and visuals. Nothing in our framework is random, as each section element was well thought through and tested. We teach and help you to do that in Skuology, our free community, where we have other tools and resources waiting for you. So if you really want to grow your e-com store, join our community. You'll be able to learn more about the framework and how to optimize your store.